Today, we're diving into the dramatic stories of celebrities who went from fame to the courtroom. From shocking allegations to high-profile trials, these stars faced major criminal charges that rocked their careers and the public. Let's uncover the truth behind these infamous cases and see how these celebrities navigated their legal battles. From red carpets to jail cells, some of the biggest names in entertainment have found themselves facing serious criminal charges. Whether it's fraud, assault, or even homicide, these cases remind us that fame doesn't place anyone above the law. Today, we're diving into the stories of celebrities whose lives took dramatic turns from stardom to scandal. Stick around. You won't believe the details of some of these shocking cases. Number 10. O.J. Simpson, from NFL star to murder trial of the century. O.J. Simpson, once a beloved football icon and actor, faced one of the most publicized trials in history after being charged with the murders of his ex-wife, Nicole Brown Simpson, and her friend Ron Goldman in 1994. Known as the trial of the century, it captivated millions, with Simpson's high-profile status and the brutal nature of the crimes making it international news. After months of intense legal battles and media frenzy, Simpson was controversially acquitted, sparking debates about race, wealth, and justice. Though he avoided conviction in the murder trial, Simpson's legal troubles didn't end there. In 2007, he was arrested for armed robbery and kidnapping in Las Vegas, leading to a conviction and a 9-year prison sentence. The case remains one of the most infamous in the history of celebrity crime, and Simpson's life after these events is a shadow of the fame he once held. Number 9. Lindsay Lohan, the troubled starlet's legal woes. Lindsay Lohan was a household name as a child and teenage star, but as her fame grew, so did her troubles with the law. Starting in 2007, Lohan faced several charges, including DUI, drug possession, and probation violations. Her courtroom appearances became so frequent that they overshadowed her career, with media outlets capturing every high and low in her personal life. She faced jail time, rehab stints, and countless court-ordered classes in an attempt to reform her lifestyle. Her struggles with addiction and reckless behavior became tabloid fodder. And while Lohan has made several attempts to rebuild her life and career, her journey is a stark reminder of how fame, combined with personal issues, can lead to a dangerous path. Number 8. Robert Downey Jr., Hollywood's redemption story. Before his resurgence as Marvel's Iron Man, Robert Downey Jr. was known as much for his acting talent as for his frequent run-ins with the law. In the late 1990s, he was repeatedly arrested on drug-related charges, including possession of heroin, cocaine, and an unloaded firearm. Downey's battles with addiction saw him in and out of rehab and jail, with one judge even describing him as a danger to himself and society. He hit rock bottom after multiple failed attempts at recovery. However, Downey's story took a turn for the better after his last release from jail in 2001. He committed to sobriety, rebuilt his career, and ultimately became one of Hollywood's highest-paid actors. His story serves as an inspiring tale of recovery and redemption, proving that even those who fall hard can make a comeback. Number 7. Martha Stewart, insider trading scandal. Known for her homemaking empire and impeccable lifestyle, Martha Stewart shocked her fans when she was charged with insider trading in 2001. Stewart was accused of using confidential information to sell stocks just before the price dropped, leading to her arrest for securities fraud, obstruction of justice, and conspiracy. In a highly publicized trial, she was found guilty and sentenced to 5 months in prison, 5 months of house arrest, and 2 years of probation. Stewart's case highlighted issues around white-collar crime and celebrity privilege. Yet despite her time in prison, Stewart managed to bounce back, eventually rebuilding her brand and returning to television with an even larger following. Number 6. Chris Brown, assault on Rihanna. Chris Brown's promising music career took a devastating hit in 2009 when he was charged with assaulting his then-girlfriend, pop icon Rihanna. The graphic details of the incident, along with the release of Rihanna's bruised photo, shocked the public and led to widespread condemnation. Brown pleaded guilty to felony assault, resulting in probation, community service, and domestic violence counseling. Despite continued legal issues, Brown has attempted to rehabilitate his public image over the years. However, this incident remains a defining moment in his career and has impacted how the public perceives him. Number 5. Bill Cosby, a shocking fall from grace. Once considered America's dad for his role on The Cosby Show, Bill Cosby's legacy was shattered by a slew of sexual assault allegations. In 2018, after multiple accusations and a high-profile trial, Cosby was found guilty of sexual assault and sentenced to prison. His case was a watershed moment in the Me Too movement, representing a reckoning in Hollywood and beyond. Cosby's conviction was a major win for survivors of sexual assault, and his case highlighted the long-standing issues of power and abuse within the entertainment industry. However, in 2021, his conviction was overturned on a technicality, sparking debate and controversy about justice and accountability for high-profile offenders. Number 4. Phil Spector, the tragic case of Lana Clarkson. Legendary music producer Phil Spector was known for his wall of sound technique and his influence on pop music. But in 2003, his life took a dark turn when actress Lana Clarkson was found dead in his home. Spector was arrested and charged with murder, with the trial revealing a history of erratic and violent behavior. The case was full of twists, but ultimately, Spector was convicted in 2009 and sentenced to 19 years to life in prison. This case remains one of the most shocking in the music industry, with Spector's conviction a stark reminder of the complexities of fame and the dark sides of some of the industry's most influential figures. Number 3. Mark Wahlberg, a troubled youth's violent past. Before he was a Hollywood A-lister, Mark Wahlberg had a criminal past that included serious assault charges. In his youth, Wahlberg was charged with attempted murder after a violent assault on 2 Vietnamese men in Boston, one of whom he blinded in one eye. He served 45 days in jail and later expressed regret for his actions, acknowledging the pain he caused and how it impacted his life and career. Despite this troubled past, Wahlberg's transformation into a successful actor and producer demonstrates that personal growth and second chances are possible. However, his history still sparks debate about accountability and redemption in the public eye. Number 2. Wesley Snipes, tax evasion troubles. Action star. Wesley Snipes shocked fans when he was charged with tax evasion in 2006, facing accusations of failing to file taxes on millions of dollars of income. Snipes argued that he believed he was exempt from paying taxes, but the court found him guilty, sentencing him to 3 years in prison. His case underscored the seriousness of financial crimes, even for those at the top of their game. Following his release, Snipes attempted to revive his career, though the stigma of his conviction has lingered. His experience served as a reminder that even the wealthiest and most successful are not immune to financial responsibility. Number 1. Paris Hilton, a lesson in consequences for the it girl. Socialite. Paris Hilton was known for her party lifestyle, but it led her to legal troubles, including a 2007 DUI arrest and a probation violation that resulted in a brief jail sentence. Her case became a media spectacle, highlighting the sometimes cavalier attitudes celebrities have toward the law. Hilton's time in jail was short, but it marked a turning point in her public image. While Hilton has since shifted gears, focusing on her business ventures and activism, her early run-ins with the law underscore the complicated relationship between fame and accountability. These stories serve as reminders that fame doesn't shield anyone from the consequences of their actions. From shocking crimes to redemption arcs, The world of celebrities is full of twists and turns that captivate and caution us all. Thanks for joining us as we explored the dramatic journeys of celebrities who faced major criminal charges. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more revealing content. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Which case surprised you the most? Until next time, stay informed and keep questioning the narratives.